Hello students, welcome to the next class of mathematics, that is Introduction to Trigonometry. So in the last class we learnt about the trigonometric ratios, right? Now we solve the problems depending on those ratios. So please learn those ratios. If you know the ratios, then only you can solve the problems. So please learn them, by heart them, then you will able to solve the remaining problems. Okay. Now let us see example here. One example here. So here the problem. Given tan A is equal to 4 by 3, find the other trigonometric ratios of the angle A. So see, tan ratio is given, we have to find the other ratios. So to find the ratios, first we have to draw the triangle. Which triangle? Right angle triangle, because in trigonometry we deal with the right angle triangle. Okay, right. Now in this solution, first we have to draw the triangle, which is right angle triangle. Okay, so angle A should we have to take here, and B is right angle, and here C. So you know that this is hypotenuse, and here particularly mention angle A, this is the reference angle, hence this side will be opposite side and this side will be adjacent side. Obviously this is hypotenuse, right? Okay, so first we have to draw the triangle and write as given tan A is equal to 4 by 3, right? So but from the figure, what is tan A? What is the ratio? Tan A is opposite side by adjacent side. Okay, which is opposite side here? This is the angle, and this is opposite side, that is BC by adjacent is AB, right? This is equal to tan A, that is 4 by 3, right? Okay, so here as we are comparing the ratios, isn't it? So that's why here if we are comparing, that's why here we have to take BC is equal to not exactly 4, it will be 4K, and AB is equal to 3K. So where K is a positive number, it is a positive number because there is no sign of negative, hence we are taking positive. So as we are comparing the ratios, hence we are taking the value K. Okay, right, because these may not be exactly equal. That's why whenever you compare the ratios, here we are taking the whenever the ratios are compared, the given values may not be exactly equal. Okay, but on solving we will get the answer. That's why we have to take as BC is equal to 4K and AB is equal to 3K. We have to write in the figure. So BC is equal to 4K. This is BC 4K, right, and AB. So AB is equal to 3K, right? We know the side BC value and AB value, but we don't know AC, right? So this is a right angle triangle. So in a right angle triangle, if one side is not known, how do you find? Yes, by using Pythagoras theorem. So from Pythagoras theorem, we know hypotenuse square is equal to side square plus side square, that is AC square is equal to side square plus side square, AB square plus BC square. Okay, now substitute the values here. AC square is equal to AB is what? AB is equal to 3K, hence 3K square plus what is BC? BC is equal to 4K, right? 4K whole square. Now let's find the values. 3K square means 3 3 is a 9, K square, and plus this is 16K square, which is equal to 25K square, isn't it? 16 plus 9, 25K square. So we got AC square is equal to 25K square. So on cancellation of the squares, our AC is equal to, we write as square root of 25K square, then we get how much? Yes, it is 5K, because square root of 25 is 5, K square of square root is K. So therefore we got AC is equal to 5K. So here it is 5K. So as we got the other side, we can write the remaining trigonometric ratios. We have to find the trigonometric ratios, right? Now I am writing on this side. So what is first side? Which side we have to write? Yes, sine. So sine A. What is the formula for sine A? Yes, opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite side by hypotenuse. What is the opposite side? That is BC by hypotenuse is AC. Right? What is BC value? BC value is 4K by AC value 5K. Right? So KK get cancelled, hence it is 4 by 5. Okay, right. Next coming to cos. So cos A is equal to what? Cos formula, cos trigonometric ratio, adjacent side by hypotenuse. What is adjacent? AB by hypotenuse AC. So AB by AC, AB value is what? 3K, AC value is 5K, right? So KK get cancelled, hence the value is 3 by 5. Easy. Now sine, cos, tan is there. The next will be, okay, what? Cosec. Okay. So cosec A is equal to 1 by sine. Here we can write reciprocal of sine or directly. What is that? Cosec A is equal to what? Hypotenuse by opposite, or 4 by 5. Reciprocal of 4 by 5 will be 5 by 4. So simply by using the formula we can write hypotenuse by opposite, that is BC, is equal to AC is how much? 5K by BC is how much? 4K, right? KK get cancelled, 5 by 4, you see, 4 by 5 reciprocal, 5 by 4. Like this, sec A, I will write like this to understand. Reciprocal of cos A, what is cos A value? 3 by 5, and it will be 5 by 3. Okay, and the last cot. So cot A is equal to, already we know tan A, 4 by 3. It's a reciprocal, that is 1 by tan A. So to write clearly, 1 by tan A is how much? 4 by 3. I am writing tan value to understand. So in the fraction is fraction, then what happens? It will become up, that is 4 by 3 will become 3 by 4. So here the problem completes. Got it? Do you understand? Right. So like this we can solve the problems, but if we know the formulae, that is trigonometric ratios. I hope you understood. Yes. So then try to solve the remaining problems.